Look.
Faster than the speed of sound. Now, as the G3 comes back. He's doing a low boom dive maneuver. He has gone inverted. That is, Ringo and Nils have gone inverted and they've done a dive. And they've since gone supersonic. So those shock waves are now on their way to us. But because of the altitude and the angle, by the time those ones reach us, they should be much quieter than the ones from the F-15.
I'm looking for the F-15 and it's probably well above us now. There it is tracking. See the white dot now. You don't see the contrail, look for the white dot. Second mark, so they just passed through the sound barrier now. And that'll take a while to get to us as well. 50 seconds. Going supersonic. Wait for it. Wait for it.
It's coming.
Okay, that was the second one, but we got it first. Now listen for the choir.
There's another one.
Approximately 30 seconds.
That's a smaller one.
Guys, the smart one's going to be loud.
And there it was. Did you hear that, folks?